Alright guys, very quick little video here because normally it's a bit busy around here, but today it looks dead clear. I was going to do like a meeting situation, but I don't think you're going to get much here anyway. But anyway, wow, that car's battered, poor guy. We'll go. So coming up to top of the road, parked cars both sides. Now at the top of the hill is a blind bend, so hopefully you guys know what to do on blind bends, and you have to go a lot slower, more cautious. Look, I'm slowing down a lot, looking around as much as I can, and then meeting scenario here now, and I'm finding a nice little spot over here. And then as I'm going out, I'm looking in my mirror, making sure it's safe as well, and I'm constantly now scanning further ahead. Gaps over on the right hand side over there, and there's another gap there. There's a potential gap here for me. I'm expecting cars to come around, etc. So keep that all in mind. These are very tough sort of roads to go through. I'm going to turn right, and there's a little sign that you got to be careful of now, is this one here, which is at the top. There's a car coming now, so I'm just going to wait here, check behind as well, give them just about enough space. Constantly looking into roads, okay, and then see if he's waiting for me, but I'll let him go. There you go, well done. And then there's a school sign there, so it's a pedestrian section zone, so you can only go at certain times. So we're going to be going left here, okay, and I'm looking into this road, super blind as we're going further ahead. That's a bit of a blind one as well, in case a car flies out. I can't see anything around that corner, so I'm going to look there. Perfect, there we go. There's the biker there, he's got loads of space to wait for me, so that's good. Now as we're getting further ahead, I'm expecting a car to come into the road, okay? That's how you got to keep thinking. All right, if they do come at this point now, they'll have to wait. So have a look now, and they're gonna have to wait for me now. Okay, that's it. So this car came flying in, and they should actually take their time and come in and check as they're coming in. Now I'm going to check both sides. It's quite a busy road here. I'm trying to move my head a little slower because I saw in the other videos that I was just moving the head really fast, which I normally do because I check quite quickly. But on the videos it might be a bit jarring to watch, so I'm trying to move my head a bit slower. So checking constantly both sides. Now normally what I do is I will focus a little bit more on my side, and once I see there's a gap appearing, I'll start looking on the other side. But you can see there's a build up of traffic at the moment. And there seems to be a potential chance after that van now, okay? Hopefully you guys can see that this car's coming in. There's a potential chance. I'm going to have a look on this side, but there's loads of cars there at the moment, so I can't come out. But now if I have a look, still no one there. There's no one after this silver car, and I'm going to slowly come out behind this one, and that's how you're going to try and do it, okay? And then we've got the traffic lights. It's really busy now with the school, so approaching nice and cautiously. Kids around everywhere, so just be careful. They should be dropped off by now, but obviously there's people who are late as well. And we are going to be turning left. Now the left turn is usually a busy road as well. So let's have a look and see how that is. So we're going to have a look now, and then we're going to go left here. Now you see these pedestrians crossing, so just keep them in mind. There is that new rule, the HS2 rule. So they're turning in, so I'm fine. Also the road behind me is a little bit busy, so it wouldn't be safe for me to stop there for them, unless I've already come out. So these guys should hopefully wait for me. Now I'm looking all the way down that road just up there, to see if any cars are coming. I've spotted that there's a gap there as well, and then if I pass this gap, I'm looking for potential other gaps that cars can go in. We never go on the right hand side, we always find a place on the left. But what you're going to try and do is try and find a spot for someone to go into the right hand side, for example, okay? So that's something to keep in mind. So now I'm going to take this right turn. It would be nicer if I went further ahead because there's more of a meeting scenario. There's guys crossing, so I'm going to wait for him. Okay, there you go. That's it, and that's how you're meant to do it. That's that new rule where you give way to those pedestrians who are trying to cross along that section, and then this is also another narrow little road. So yeah, hopefully that helps a little bit. Very tiny little section, but meeting scenarios are tough, so keep practicing and keep scanning the road all the time. Every time you are in a tight road, you need to find spaces that they can pull in and where you can pull in as well. Hope that helps. Good luck. Stop recording.